Want to look outside your screen in Mobile Legends but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to look outside your screen in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. We can look outside the screen in two different ways. The first way is, you can do it by tapping and moving your finger to the place in the map where you want, like this. The second way is the exact opposite of the map. The empty space on the top right corner is also where you can look around in the map like this. This will help you to get better view of teammates and enemies. And that's how you can look outside your screen in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.